we are just a day away from the Samsung Galaxy A8s, and here the S10 leaks are not taking rest at any point of time. We just saw some daily live teasers for the S10 Plus that should be a publicity stunt by the Korean giant. The most important factor to decide a phone's design is its display. Even if we have initial info about this major tech, it's equally important to know their size. The Galaxy S10 series will be a bundle of 4 phones, and it's not the first time we are talking about them. But I have a first time talk. Evan Blass, a very reputable leakster, believes that the S10 Lite will feature a 5.8-inch display, while S10 and S10 Plus will admire a 6.1-inch and a 6.4-inch display respectively. Although the info comes from an unknown case manufacturer, it involves Blass, and that leaves no reason for doubts. Now, if you are stuck on that look, let me take you to another direction. These renders are not accurate and are making an appearance here to just give you an idea about the next S-series phones. You shouldn't expect a top center hole-in display look, as Samsung has given a major example at SDC. Also, the company would not resemble a North City on any of those devices. The corner placement looks good and less interfering, which is a major view factor. Nobody wants to spot a black region on their smartphone's screen while browsing internet or watching videos on them. Additionally, Samsung Mobile.news has got this from Weibo. They believe that this should be S10's flexible OLED screen. I don't know what's happening here, but this display is not surprising anymore. Samsung showcased a similar technology some couple of years ago, but when it comes to S10, I don't believe this leak, as the display could belong to anyone. A lot of Chinese manufacturers are working on this kind of display, and getting leaks like this is obvious. The corners of this particular display also not resemble a S-series phone, so stay away. Ice Universe says that the S10 Lite will feature a flat screen, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a dual camera setup. This is obviously a cost-cutting strategy by Samsung, as curved screen and in-display fingerprint tag are super expensive. So to maintain a gap between these phones, it's necessary to differentiate. At last, we have finally received a confirmation for the existence of 3.5mm headphone jack on the Galaxy S10. So with all rage-fueled efforts, these reports should disappear. And for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.